Hi, folks. It's Andy O'Brien, and I want to welcome you to the brand new Heart-Centered Persuasion YouTube channel. What is Heart-Centered Persuasion? Well, it's all about writing your own copy in your own words, in your own voice, without any deception or hype or salesy language. It's about writing from your heart. And it's whether you're a coach or consultant, speaker, author, trainer, this channel is for you. So hit the subscribe button because I have a ton of videos that I'm going to be releasing in the coming days and weeks in giving you, things like the ins and outs of writing your own copy, why you should do it yourself as opposed to hiring an expensive copywriter. I'll be giving you all kinds of copy tips like sales page creation, writing the right headlines, telling your story, making the most of your testimonials, launching a product, generating emotion, all different kinds of things. But the overarching theme here is going to be eliminating the deception and focusing on the truth of your copy and how you write it, whether it's your emails, your sales pages, your website, whatever it is that you're trying to write to grow your business. But we're going to grow it more authentically. So this is Heart-Centered Persuasion. I'm glad you're here, and there's a lot more coming. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hi again, it's Andy O'Brien. Welcome back to Heart-Centered Persuasion. I'm glad you're here for this next video, which is going to be on creating an opt-in page. First of all, though, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of these tips that will be coming your way on this channel in the coming weeks and months. All right, opt-in page. Basically, your list is really important. The money is in the list. You've probably heard that said many times over the years. And even though, some people say email marketing is dead, it's not, trust me. Despite what is going on in social media and people are making, sales in all different kinds of ways, email marketing will always be there for the foreseeable future anyway. So we're going to want to be creating an opt-in page, whether it's for a webinar or an email sequence or a giveaway, some type of freebie. You want to build your email list. So let's do that with this basically kind of a crude opt-in template that I have for you here. Let's take a look at it. Again, this is just me doing this, showing you this on a Word document. What you're going to be probably working with is something like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or, whatever template you might have to design one of these things. You're going to want to use this model anyway. So you're going to start with a killer headline. I'm actually going to be devoting a whole episode of Heart-Centered Persuasion on headlines. So for now, though, just know that you need a headline right here at the top, obviously. You may even want to have a sub-headline in this spot here that will just kind of emphasize what they're going to get and the benefits. And then I would recommend having a video. It's not a deal breaker if you don't feel like having a video. You don't have to do it. I've actually run split tests where for opt-in pages where there's no video and it would perform better. So if you're not really into videos and you want to just do it down and dirty and get them in, get them out, get their email address, that's fine. You don't have to do a video here. But right here is where it's important to describe what they are going through, their pain points, and the emotion behind them. And again, I'm going to do another episode on emotion, generating emotion, because Heart-Centered Persuasion is all about selling with different styles of persuasion instead of just selling with screaming headlines and calls to action that are stress-inducing. It's more about getting down to the emotional level, creating an emotional impact with your reader, because that's really what drives sales and gets them to take action. They want a relief from their pain points. So you're going to describe some of these pain points in your first paragraph of your opt-in page. Then you're going to talk about what you're giving away with some type of image here, and that's where you put that. And if it's an ebook, you have an ebook image. If it's a video series or some type of video, you have some video image, or just have some image. It could be a logo, whatever it is that you're giving away. Show it somehow on here. Then you're going to have bulleted benefits of what they're going to learn or discover when they subscribe. The thing about an opt-in page, it's really like a sales page, but it's free, because you really have to talk people into giving you their email address. Everybody wants your email address, right? So you really have to drive the point home and talk them into giving you their info. And then just a quick sentence describing how they're going to feel when they have your giveaway and they've taken action on it and have experienced what you're going to give them. All right, what's the end game here? What's their the outcome? Okay, and then obviously you're going to want a call to action. Just fill out your name and email to receive this giveaway, and then the form down here, and basically that's it in a nutshell. And again, if you're on ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or one of those, and you're looking at one of these opt-in templates, there's all kinds of ways that you can do an opt-in page, and those are going to be on here. Everything I described, if it's good, is going to have probably all these things. But I just wanted to lay it out for you because it's easy to kind of get lost in the weeds of creating an opt-in page, but don't spend a lot of time on it. It's important for you to really just get their email, okay? So more to come on this. Again, hit the subscribe button. Tell your colleagues, your friends, neighbors about this channel, because I really want to get as many people learning this stuff as possible. And I'll see you next time, folks. Thanks.